Hi everybody, my name is Larry Celebra. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo of how we can use sBTC with Bitcoin addresses instead of Stacks addresses. For those of you that don't know, sBTC is layer 2 Bitcoin on Bitcoin's Stacks network. The first thing we need to do is we need to connect our wallet to this demo app. And in this case, I've actually made it really easy so we can have two different wallets connected to the same app so we can send sBTC from the left side of our screen to the right side of our screen. So the first thing we'll do is we will click the Connect Wallet button and our Leather Wallet app pops up and asks us to confirm. We already are going to sign in with account 1, so we click Confirm. Now account 1 already has 21,000 sats worth of sBTC in it. It also has a little bit of Stacks STX token, which we're going to be using for gas in this demo. But in the future, we can also use sBTC for gas. So I want to walk you through what's happening here. You'll see that we have a Bitcoin address that represents this wallet. It starts with BC1Q. It is a native SegWit style address. It is not a taproot address. It is not a legacy address. So that's something to keep in mind. And you can expand this little triangle here that shows you the Stacks address from which this Bitcoin address was generated. Okay, and we'll just compare that right now to the address that's in the wallet that we've connected to this app. And if we look down here, we'll see we have some stacks. And if we click Receive and we click Receive Stacks, we can see the Stacks address is actually the same in the app as it is in the wallet. And again, just to reiterate, the Bitcoin address shown here is generated from that Stacks address. Okay, so we're going to close that out. We're going to hide the address. And then we're going to connect wallet instance number 2. So we click wallet again, and we're going to change accounts this time. And we have an empty account here. And we're going to confirm. And now our second wallet is connected. So again, you'll see we have another new Bitcoin address. This is generated from the Stacks address in the empty wallet. We can look at that. We can compare it to the address in account number 2 in Leather, and we can see that it is the same, SPX8Q, SPX8Q. It's important, one more time, just to reiterate, this is derived using a different path and a different method than the Bitcoin address that is displayed in Leather. So notice the Bitcoin address is BQ1QV, that's the one in the Leather wallet, and the Bitcoin address that we've derived for our sBTC is BC1Q82. So these addresses are not the same, and this is just a demo, and this is something in the future that we can actually create wallets where both layer 1 and layer 2 Bitcoin use the exact same address. So now let's walk through how we do a transfer. So we're going to copy the Bitcoin address from wallet instance number 2, and we're going to paste it into the send box for wallet instance number 1. And you'll see once we paste that address in, we have a little box that appears below, and we can expand that to see the Stacks address that is calculated based on the recipient Bitcoin address. So we see SPX8QD, and we see that is actually the same address as the wallet instance 2. So in this case, we've figured out the Stacks address from the Bitcoin address. Okay, so now we're going to choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. And in this case, let's send all 21,000 sats to wallet instance number 2. So we enter 21,000, we click send. Leather wallet pops up. It says you will transfer exactly 0.00021 sBTC. That's 21,000 sats. And if we look at this call here, we can see that we are the sender and that the recipient is in fact the Stacks address that was calculated from the Bitcoin address of wallet instance number 2. And we see here that our gas is currently being paid in STX. Now again, that's something that in the future gas fees could be paid in sBTC as well too. So now we're going to click confirm. It will sign and broadcast our transaction, and then we should get a balance update very quickly. And our sats has arrived. 21,000 sats in wallet instance number 2. So that's that. We have used Bitcoin addresses to send sats from one wallet to another in less than 10 seconds for a cost of less than 1 US cent. What do you think? Do you think it makes sense for the Stacks ecosystem to move away from Stacks addresses and move to Bitcoin addresses?